Hi, my name is Sue Wilt, and I'm with TIU 11. I'm a distance learning instructor for the Pennsylvania Distance Learning Project, and I also work on the Distance Education Technical Assistant Grant. And in this video, I'd like to introduce you to PlayPosit. PlayPosit is a tool that I learned about that allowed me to enhance a web-based video lesson. Here's the website, one of the pages for PlayPosit, go.playposit.com. And this particular tool appealed to me because I'm always looking for ways to increase student engagement. My primary subject that I teach is math, and students will often come to me and say, I need some additional help, yet their schedules don't permit a one-on-one session, whether via the phone or Zoom. So again, I'm looking for ways to help them and try to gauge their understanding without the one-on-one interaction, because again, their schedules don't permit. So what I did is I edited a YouTube video using PlayPosit and introduced questions throughout the video. I had options of creating multiple choice, fill in the blank, and free response questions. And one of the reasons why this appealed to me is I thought I could actually work toward several goals. Again, increase student interaction and engagement, track the participation. In other words, be able to say, did they complete this? And also evaluate their comprehension. So now I'd like to go to the video that I enhanced and demonstrate how I did this. So here is my account within PlayPosit, and you can see it says My Bulbs. That's what they call these enhanced videos. And the one that I'm going to demonstrate is the rounding video. And if all goes well, I turned off the volume. And the first thing that I did at the beginning of this video, I created a question asking them to actually give some thought as to where their understanding of the concept is before they start the video. And so this is actually a free response question, asking them on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 as the highest, to rate their understanding. Now, without going through this whole video, I'll fast forward to some of the other questions. And what you will see at certain points in the video, a question pops up. This one just happens to be a multiple choice, asking them, what do they think their answer for the rounding of 1,863 to the nearest 10? This is, again, giving them the option to answer this before it's actually covered in the video, so they can see how well they understood maybe the concept before going over that point within the video. Now, a little further in the video, I created another question. Let's see what this one is that's going to pop up. Okay, this is a multiple choice question, and it was after a point was made about the key point about what happens when you round, and you know the place value that you're rounding to, and then you take a look to the digit that is located one to the right of that place value. And then I also have further on down the line, a question should appear asking them to, I think this one might be to do some more rounding. This is a fill in the blank question. Okay, so again, there are multiple types of questions that you can introduce into the video. This one happens to be when rounding to the nearest whole number, the target place value is the blank value. And if we continue on, again, at any point in this video, I could create a stopping point and have a question. And the student cannot continue on with the video without answering that question. Actually, that's one of the options that you have. I don't allow students to go on with the video until they answer the question. And here we have another question popping up. Here we go. This is actually asking them to round. And then I'll just jump forward to the end. And then in this particular point, I'm asking them to actually evaluate their understanding of the concept after watching the video. That should pop up here in just a second. So it was a repeat of my first question. But again, what PlayPosit allowed me to do to take an existing video, you certainly can create your video if you would like, and introduce questions. And I can send this to the student then, they watch it, and you will see in a later video how I actually created these questions, but also what tools are available for me to look at the student's performance. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're interested, you check into PlayPosit or watch my follow-up videos. Thank you.